Alright, what's up? We are at track practice. We're getting ready to go down to Dayton, Ohio. Alright, we're running at Welcome Stadium in Dayton, Ohio. We're just getting some last minute practicing in. Today is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. Alright, and everybody's out here getting in work. Alright. Elevator out. Alright, we're here for Dayton Ohio Relays K-8 track meet. Uniform, new pants on. Finally got some coaches here. Let's walk over here. University of Dayton. Dayton Flyers. Brother played basketball here. I want to say we're about 5 minutes from the track. About to get the kids up, grab some breakfast, get them hot. Travel, spend time with the kids at the same time and expose them to different things. So it's almost remind me of being in college or in high school at the state meet. So they get exposed to it early. All right, we'll check back in. Hey, y'all gotta go a little bit further than that. Go a little bit further than that. Y'all need to go. Y'all need to go a little bit further than that. Hey, use the football field lines. Y'all can still use the end zone, but y'all need to go at least 20 or 30 yards. All right.
Yeah, he got out of there like he almost balled. Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew. Bye, baby. Yes.
Happy dance. All right, what you just run? The 100 meters?
The 100 meters.
What place did you get? Third place. Congrats. That's big. Let's go. Let's go. Better chip.